Welcome. Today I will debunk a member of the Flat Earth cult using a billiard ball. Let's start. First of all, I want to thank all my patrons, members, donors and subscribers. All of you are important for me. Thank you very much. Today's flurf is CC, Chris, from New York. And, as usual, he having big problems with the shape of the Earth. Let's hear him out.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. CC here, Chris, from New York, Westchester County. It's 3:13:22. I hope you pushed your clocks forward because it's now daylight savings time. Anyway.
Thank you, Chris, for that information, but here in Europe we do it the 27th, not the 13th.
We have 4 or 5 top scientists that are representing science in this country. Okay.
4 or 5 top scientists in the US? Strange statement. I'm sure that you have a lot more great scientists in the US than that. But let's move on.
One of them being NDT. Now he's stated a couple of things, that the Earth is a pear, and we've all ripped that apart. It's very nice, thanks. I appreciate trying to explain what the shape of the Earth is, a fucking pear. But then he also says, and he states, that the Earth has a bulge in the middle of the equator, which is 14 miles high. Okay? 14 miles high. Because the Earth is revolving. Which it's not. It's obviously stationary.
That you, as a member of the Flat Earth cult, don't believe that we live on a globe and it's rotating, that's no proof. Okay, it proves your ignorance. This is the volcano Chimborazo in Ecuador. It's the highest mountain in the world if you measure it from the center of the Earth, or you can call it the closest place to space. And that's because of the bulge, as you call it. It's quite or very near the equator, and that's why it's higher up, measured from the center of the Earth, than Mount Everest.
But according to the scientists that like to tell you that we live in space and we're traveling in space and with the sun and whatever the fuck it may be, doesn't make a difference. So let's take a look at that bulge at the equator that's 14 miles high. You see, you can't see this from space, apparently the scientists have told us. You know.
Chris is a typical member of the Flat Earth cult, so he don't understand scale. Let's make a comparison. This is a bowling ball, and the tolerances of it's 0.22%, so it's quite near a perfect circle. And if we compare it with Earth, the tolerances is 0.17. So Chris, can you see the bulge on a billiard ball? So your claims are totally silly, stupid, and proves your total lack of understanding of scale. Let's move on.
You're too far away, but yet we still have no picture of Earth. It's all been stitched together We have no picture of Earth at all, with all these NASA missions and all the other crap. Not one single shred of evidence of a picture of Earth in space, other than graphics.
And here we have the original blue marble. It was taken in December 1972 by Harrison Smith, who was a member of the Apollo 17 expedition, and it was taken on a distance on 29,000 kilometers from Earth. And it was using a Hasselblad camera with ordinary film. It's not CGI, it's not stitched. It's a real one exposure image taken on film.
So let's take a look at this. Now I'm calling out all the airliners, the pilots that are out there right now. Has anybody ever, because an airliner only goes about 4 or 5 miles in the air, okay? 4 or 5 miles. So NDT says that it's 14 miles of bulge of the water. Okay, see, we have like two problems here. Okay, not only the pilots have to also calculate that you're going 600 miles per hour, and you're also giving up, the curvature of Earth. So there should be something automated inside of the plane that they don't have to go dip down 2 or 3 inches. But now you have to dip up because the bulge in the equator is 14 miles. So have you ever seen a plane go through water? No, because it's all bullshit. Been lied to all of your life. And I'm sorry to tell you this.
Okay, I made some adjustments of the blue marble. Perhaps this is how CC thinks that we are claiming that the Earth is shaped. But the basic problem with Flat Earth cult members and airplanes, they don't understand how a plane flies. The height they have is in relationship to the ground they are flying over. They have no problems with mountains and so on. Or do you, CC, believe that the plane will crash into a mountain? Oh dear, so stupid. The bulge is so small, and it's not only around the equator. See it as a slope uphill, slowly, slowly, slowly. Oh dear.
Thank you for subbing. Thank you for viewing my videos. Let me be a part of your life.
No, I don't think your videos is a part of my life, but they entertain me, CC. They are so damn stupid, so it's entertained me. It's like perhaps you're looking at the Simpsons at the telly or something like that. Thank you for watching all. You helped me past 650 euros sent to Ukraine. And it's thanks to your watching, the ad revenues, the memberships, and the donations via Super Chats and PayPal. And I have doubled it. So thank you very much. If you liked the video, come back next time, become a member. Support Ukraine using PayPal or whatever you want. Thank you everyone. See you soon. Bye.